Hello student, welcome to Java programming. Today we see the practical number 17, that is develop a program which implement the concept of overriding. Okay, so first we see the practical significance. Method overriding is used to change definition of method in subclass. Okay, so runtime polymorphism is achieved through method overriding. Okay, so when you implement the polymorphism concept in your program, that time we use the method overriding. Super keyword is used to call the parent class method or constructor. Okay, so simple. When two class having same method, okay, that time the concept is called as overriding. Okay, and we can say when child class having same method which is defined in the parent class, that concept is called as method overriding. Okay, so that concept we see in this practical. The relevant program outcomes are basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tools, individual and teamwork, and communication. So these are some program outcomes. After this practical, all students able to apply concept of inheritance for code reusability. Okay, so from next practical we see this concept inheritance, and in this practical we see the overriding concept. Okay, inside overriding concept there is also inheritance concept. Okay, so inheritance means simple, we can create new class from old class. Okay, or we can say we can create child class from parent class, that is called as inheritance. Okay, so there are many types of inheritance that we see in some next practicals. Okay, in diagram in your manual the method is given, overriding of method is given. Here one class A is one class and extends B, that means B is the child class of A. Okay, inside A there are some data, class members. First one is data1, second display method, and third one calculate method. Okay, and the same method is present in class B, display and calculate. So here display method is override. Okay, so how this concept is we can apply in program, that we see in the program. First understand the concept. When two class having same method, okay, here A class is the parent class which having display method, and B is the derived class, that means it is child class of A, and B class also have same method display. Okay, so here display method is overriding. Okay, so let's see the program. Before program, first we see basic definition. If the subclass, that is child class, have the same method as declared in the parent class, is known as method overriding in Java. Okay, in other words, if the subclass provides the specific implementation of method that have been declared by one of its parents class, it is also called as method overriding. Okay, here some use of Java method overriding. Method overriding is used to provide the specific implementation of method which is already provided by its superclass. Superclass means parent class. Second is method overriding is used for the implementation of runtime polymorphism. Okay. Next, rule for Java method overriding. First rule is the method must have the same name as in the parent class. Okay, so name of method is same, spelling and all is same as defined in the parent class. Second rule is the method must have same parameter as in the parent class. Okay, parameter also same. Third rule is there must be an ISA relation. ISA relation means it is the concept of inheritance. Okay, so child class hona chahiye of respective parent class. So these are some basic about the method overriding. Now we see one program. Okay, here Java program to demonstrate Java method overriding, where three class are overriding the method of parent class. Okay, so let's see. First, here I define one class bank, and inside bank I create one method get rate of interest. Okay, so this is my method. get rate of interest. Okay, which return the integer value. Okay, inside method I write only one statement, return 0. So this method return 0. Okay, here method is closed and class is closed. So this is first class bank and this is my parent class. Okay, next one, here I create another class SBI. Okay, and extends is one keyword used for the inheritance. Okay, and this class is extend from bank. Okay, so bank is the parent class and SBI is the child class of bank. And inside SBI class I create same method that defined in parent class, that is get ratio of rate of interest. Okay, here it returns 8. Okay, so in this method I write only one statement, return 8. So this method return integer value. Okay, so method have same name as a parent class name, and parameter also same. Here I not pass any parameter in parent, and same in child also. Similarly I create another class ICICI, which extend from bank. Okay, same method inside the ICI I declare same method, get rate of interest. This method returns 7. Okay, then last I create Axis class, extend bank, and in that also I declare the same method, get rate of interest, which return 9. So here in this example there is one parent class, that is bank, and there are 3 child class of bank, SBI, ICICI and Axis. Okay, all these class have same method, get rate of interest. Okay, here class is closed, and then we define our main class, that is class experiment 17. Okay, inside that class I create main method public static void main. Okay, then inside main method I create object of SBI class. S is the object of SBI, new SBI. Okay, then I create object of ICICI. I is the object of ICICI. Then I create object of Axis Bank. Okay, so A is the object of Axis. Okay, so here I create 3 object. Then I write 3 statement, output statement. First is SBI rate of interest is equal to, then I call s dot get rate of interest. So this method is defined in 4 class, parent class and 3 child class. But before method I use object of s dot, and s is the object of SBI. So this statement call the method from SBI class. Okay, so to call the method from respect to class we use the object of that class. Okay, in second line ICICI rate of interest is equal to, here I use the object of ICICI class and method name is same, but when it call the method, that time it check the object. Okay, use the object of that class to call the method. Similarly in next line I call the object of Axis. Okay, so Axis rate of interest is equal to a dot get rate of interest. Okay, so by the object name we can call the respective methods, and this concept is called as method overriding. We write the same method in 4 class. Okay, with same name and same parameter. That concept is called as method overriding. Okay, so let execute this program. I already save this program. Okay, in our program there are 5 class. Okay, one parent class, 3 child class and our main class. So main method is present in which class? Experiment 7. So file name, save the file by using this name, experiment17.java. Okay, I already saved. To run, first I write command java c space file name experiment7.java. Okay, my program compiled successfully. Then second command to get the output or to run the program, java space file name. Okay, so here is output, SBI rate of interest is 8. So here which method is called? The method which is defined in SBI class. Okay, second ICICI rate of interest 7. So it called the method from ICICI class, and Axis rate of interest is equal to 9. So it called the method from Axis class. So this is simple concept of method overriding. Okay, we can override the method that is also called as polymorphism, runtime polymorphism. Okay, so thank you.